Find natural numbers m and n such that the expression 2m plus n over 23 is equal to 17 over the expression m plus n.
A few moments later.
7.
M is equal to 6. N is equal to 11.
You're right.
3 steps is all that you need to solve this type of question under less than 10 seconds. Step 1 is cross multiplication. So you have 2m plus n multiplying m plus n equal to 23 times 17. Don't expand this expression and do not multiply 23 by 17. Why? Because that will take your time and waste your time. But instead, do this. Step 2 is comparisons. 2m plus n is bigger than m plus n. The same way, 23 is bigger than 17. So what you do is that equate the bigger expression to the bigger number and equate the smaller expression to the smaller number. So you get 2 equations. Okay, so you have 2m plus n equal to 23, equation 1. M plus n equal to 17, equation 2. The third step is elimination. Notice that we have positive n in both equations. Okay, to eliminate n, you have to perform subtraction. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So you will get 2m minus m will give you m. N minus n cancels out. Okay, 23 minus 17 will give you 6. Therefore, m is equal to 6. Now insert the value of m into any of the equations. I'm going to use equation 2. So for equation 2, we have m plus n equal to 17. The value of m is 6 plus n equal to 17. Subtract 6 on both sides. So you will have 6 minus 6 plus n equal to 17 minus 6. 6 cancels out minus 6. You have n is equal to 11. Therefore, n is equal to 11. Okay? So in summary, all that we are saying is that anytime you have this type of question, you need only 3 steps. Step 1 is to cross multiply. Step 2 is to perform comparisons. Step 3 is elimination time. Okay? Once you get the value for one variable, you use either of the equations to get the value for the other variable. Okay? I hope this video saves you some time during the National Science and Maths quiz or during your math exams. This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. I've made so many amazing videos in Twi and also in English that can help you prepare adequately for the National Science and Maths quiz as well as for your math exams. I always say that practice makes permanent. Keep on practicing. Don't be scared of the big schools. Don't be afraid of math exams. Believe in yourself, and I promise you that you can do this. Consider subscribing if you've not done that. See you next time.
Think